So, Graham, that's me, George. So, I hope that we can try to set the Bosch valve in the right adjustment, and so I want to show you that on the video, that you can be really sure there is no mistake on your Bosch module, or it is a mistake. Okay, at the first you must see that we bring the carriage, that we bring the carriage slowly up and down, that we make with the blue potentiometer. So we make now the switch to up, and the carriage, when we turn here, the blue one must go up. Okay, so, and the same one we make it with down. We change to down, and the carriage is now up position. So we have now the switch to down, and we bring with the blue potentiometer the carriage down. Okay. Now it must be now, this one is very important. The carriage is in the end position downstairs. So we bring the carriage a little bit up. Sorry, this was too much. A little bit up. Okay, now you see 100% is for carriage down. It means in German unten. This is down 100%, and now we must setting this small potentiometer that we get the green bulb or LED here on. So that means that we turn this potentiometer. Let me see the gap. To the right or to the left, and you see it is changing. So we must have the green one. And don't forget to make the position from the carriage a little bit upstairs. Yeah, that is not really in the end position. That is maybe 5 or 8 millimeter before it is in the end position. Now we go to upstairs, the same one. Not really upstairs, 5-8 millimeters before. Now we change from unten, from downstairs to upstairs. That means from 100% to 0. And we turn now the small potentiometer again until the green light is on. You see, green light is on. Okay. And now comes the important thing, what I see on your Bosch module. You don't make the switch in the middle position. If you see, if we move up the carriage, now it goes slow. This is if the switch is not in the middle. So now we bring him in the middle, and now you can see the carriage goes quicker up and down. The movement is there. Now we must set our potentiometer, the blue one, and with the decan switch the movement up and down, that it goes really damping in the end position downstairs and upstairs. So I checked it. Upstairs You see, it is not really upstairs. So, and now I turn the blue potentiometer. Come here. This one, this is for upstairs. And now you can see if I open it more that the carriage goes slow really upstairs. You see? And that we do also with downstairs. You see, it is not really downstairs, and I make the blue one, the blue potentiometer. I open it a little bit, and you can see the carriage goes also slow down. Okay, now we set the green decant switch and the black one to 2 and the red one to 5. The red one is for the damping, this one is for the speed when it started. So, okay, now we check it. We goes upstairs and downstairs, and you see the carriage goes in the end position slow. Yeah. That means from the function is it okay. Geh mal da auf das Manometer. I have here only 60 bars. Of course, we cannot use. Okay, we cannot use 140 or 150. Otherwise, my test facility goes to the wall or whatever. So this is the reason that we make only 60%. Here, on this decant switch, I have tried it, the green and the black one. If you turn it, you see not so much different on the movement. You see? I have asked the electronic people from Bacon 1 hour before, and they told me, they tell me this, the green and the black one is not so important. You have really not so much different speed with the carriage if you turn this one up and down. Yeah? The only one what you must do is make the blue one, the blue potentiometer, and the damping. Yeah, so if you want that it goes faster, we turn the blue potentiometer, we open it more, and you can see you heard it click. Yeah? So, and now you must set this red one that we don't hear the click. So, we have it on 4 or 5, we make it now to 8. If we get it, if we get the click, it clicks more and more. Okay, so, okay, now we must change the position again, but we goes not higher, we go slower. Sorry, it is downstairs. We go slower with the blue potentiometer. Jesus. And we turn it a little bit back. And you see, if we have turned it back, the end position was okay. So, I hope that you can set it or adjusted it that the carriage is faster now and the end position is damping. If not, I send you another one. Okay, my friend, bye.